Hello everyone. Is your old laptop taking forever to start, program freezing, game lagging? Don't worry. In this video I will show you powerful Win plus R command that can speed up your old laptop or PC in just a few minutes. No software needed right till the end because the last trick can free up a huge amount of RAM and make your PC feel much faster. First, press the window key plus R on your keyboard. This opens the Run dialog box. We will use this to access hidden Windows tool quickly. Type temp, then press enter. A folder will open. Press Ctrl A to select everything. Now delete all files. Skip any file that cannot be deleted. These temporary files slow down your PC over time. Now open Run again. Type %temp press enter. Again select all files and delete them. This can free up gigabytes of storage on old computer. Open run once more. Type prefetch, press enter. Click continue if Windows asks for permission. Delete all files inside this folder. These files are used by Windows for faster app loading, but over time they can become cluttered. Plus window key plus R again. Type msconfig plus enter. Go to the startup tab on your own Windows 10 or 11. Click open task manager app. Disable app you do not need when your computer starts, like Discord, Spotify theme, Chrome browser or other heavy apps. This can dramatically improve speed. Open Run. Type clean mgr plus enter. Select your main drive, usually C drive. Check all unnecessary files and click OK. This removes all cache files, logs and Windows junk. Here's a bonus trick. Restart your computer at least once every few days. Many people keep their laptops running for weeks, which fill the RAM with background process. Also, if possible, upgrade from an HDD to an SSD. That's the biggest speed boost for all laptops. And that's it. Your old computer now should feel much faster and smoother. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and comment below which trick improve your PC the most. Thanks for watching. See you in the next time. Bye.